In this review, we'll explore Pika Style pros and cons and determine whether it is the right choice for you. So to get started, ready to save 20% of your design time, Pika Style API lets you automate image generation and capture full page website screenshot in a second. So talking about this website, so what is Pika Style? Pika Style is a tool for creating beautiful image quickly and easily. It's like a magic for design project. You can use it to create pictures for websites, social media, and more. It has a unique tools called the Pika Chrome extension. These tools let you grab pictures of website and turn them into different style. Pika Style can also automatically create image for you. This actually saves tons of time. Yeah, and this is super awesome. So talking about the top benefit about this website, which offer effortless image creation with super fast screenshot and automatic image generator. So talking about the best features of this website called Pika Style, they offer the image generation API, which makes their work super cool with AI generated template with an API SDK, which allows the Pika Style offer the software development kit for developers who want even more control to their tools. And that's it. So talking about the pricing list for this platform, they offer different range of pricing list which can be accessed through their website. So if you want more about this, you can simply go to the website, then get more about their pricing list. Now talking about the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, they offer AI powered image generation with an API access with time saving automation and a wide range of templates with a specialized screenshot tools. And talking about the downside, the pricing may be high a little, depends on individual preference, and also the learning curve for advanced features and the reliance on AI and limited offline functionalities. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful AI website. Thank you.